Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix part of display screen not refreshing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing display screen not refreshing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you some of the steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is just type your device manager. Click on the device manager, double click on your drivers, just right click on your driver and click on property. Click on driver, then try to roll back the driver and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After clicking roll back, just click OK and check. If this option doesn't work, then try to update your display driver. Just right click on that, then click on update driver. Click on search automatically for the drivers. After that, just close this window and restart your PC and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If both this option doesn't work, then try the another option. Click on start menu, click on settings, click on the system, then click on display, scroll down. Here you will find advanced display, click on that. Below you can see choose a refresh rate. Just click on this and select the highest. Suppose if you are selected as 48 Hz, you have to select at 60 Hz. Then close this window. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then try the last method, that is right click on your taskbar, then click on task manager. Here you need to find Windows Explorer. Just you need to scroll down, and last you will find your Windows Explorer. Right click on that and click on restart. After completion of this, just close this window and check. Hope your issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix part of display screen not refreshing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.